Hi guys, in this video we are going to see how to download a wallpaper engine for your desktop. Okay, and it is created by Microsoft. Okay, first open your Chrome browser. We can also download this engine from Microsoft Store and also from Chrome browser. I am downloading from Chrome browser. Okay, now type WinDynamic. After typing WinDynamic, you can see two websites. In that, first one is official Microsoft website and second one is GitHub website. Now we can go to second website. I'm downloading from github.com. Okay, now after going to second website, you can go to bottom and see download on GitHub and Microsoft Store. So now I'm downloading from GitHub. You should download your Windows version. If you have Windows version 64-bit, you should download it, or 84-bit. Now I'm downloading a 64-bit setup exe file. After downloading setup exe file, it will start downloading on the left side of your computer monitor. Now after downloading, you can open your file and start. After downloading the file, now open your file and click on open. Now after opening, you can go to your option menu. In that, we need to press run. After pressing run, your file will start downloading in your computer. It will ask some settings. We should select some settings. If you have some two users in your computer, you can select install for all users. I'm having only one user, so I'm going to install for this user. So now you should select language and read this agreement uh, and select I accept the agreement and select your browser, select your file location for your downloading, and you can press next. And you will see some selections. In this you need to select create desktop shortcut, and you can go to next. If you need to start the WinDynamic desktop in Windows startup, you can press OK to that. And now our file is downloading. After download complete, you can see a shortcut menu in our desktop. Okay, now our file is downloaded and we can see the shortcut menu in our desktop. Now we can click on launch Windows WinDynamics desktop, and we can finish the download. And it will ask some language and some permission to run in background. It will ask a time permission because the wallpaper will be updated according to time duration. If your time is 10 a.m., it will be in morning in your wallpaper. If it's 10 p.m., it will be in night in your wallpaper. So you can grant permission and select OK. And now you can go inside the app and you can select your theme. Now I have selected a theme, desert theme. You can see many themes are available here, and you can see the preview here. This is the preview night, and it will be looking like this when your time is 10 p.m. So now we can select and apply, and it will download the file. It's 126 MB, and after downloading your file, and you can see many wallpaper are available in this WinDynamic app. It will similarly look like Apple OS wallpapers. Okay guys, if you like this video, like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video guys.